It's going to be a video on a John Deere 310D 4x4. You can have 4-in-1 bucket. Got your hooks up there for your forks if you want to put that on there. Tires look pretty good. Let's see, got the Extend-A-Hoe on there. This bucket here I think is a 24. It's gonna have 3 buckets. There's 2 more that'll be pictured in there. You'll be able to check out. 4,500 hours. Let's see what else about it. Tires look good on this side. They say cutting edge is nice. Bucket looks really good. Not much, just the seat cushion here. Looks like a little love right there, but still cushy. That part's good. I'm gonna jump off, give the camera over here to Justin. I'll run it around. Auxiliaries?
Auxiliaries, and there is a breaker in the option that would fit this.
Perfect.
That's about the story of it.